Hi, during this tutorial we're going to cover the basic navigation of Gabby. When you first start up Gabby out of the box, this is the very first screen you will see. At the top of the screen is called the title bar. The title bar contains the current screen name, which in this case is called Categories. And then all the way to the right on the title bar is the Info button. When you click the Info button, it will take you to another set of screens which will allow you to modify system settings as well as system data. And then all the way on the left of the title bar, if we navigated into a folder, you would see the back button. And I'll demonstrate that real quick right now. So I'm navigating into the Actions folder. You can see that the back button showed up on the left-hand side. And you can see that the screen title changed to Actions. So I'm going to click the back button. Let me go back to Categories, and you can see all the categories. So at the bottom of the screen is the menu bar, and the menu bar can scroll from left to right, and you can have as many user-defined menu bar items as you want. The first 6 items within the menu bar are system-defined items, and what I mean by system-defined items is they can't be deleted, they can't be edited, and they always display when the menu bar is displayed. So the very first item within the menu bar is the hide menu bar, and it does just that. It hides the menu bar. The other thing it does is it prevents this view from scrolling up and down. So if you have more items than can be visibly displayed in this view, it would normally scroll up and down to see those other items. When you hide the menu bar, it freezes that view and prevents the scrolling from happening. However, everything else still works. So if you have an item that has text-to-speech associated to it, it will still save that text. Or if you have a folder where you're going to navigate, the navigation will still work. So we're going to unhide the menu bar and cover the other 5 items within that, the other 5 system items within the menu bar. So the next one is the Categories button. And in a lot of applications, that's a lot like the Home button. As you navigate through folders from the category screen, you can get deeper and deeper into other folders. If you want a one-click access all the way back to home, this is it. You just click the Categories button and it will take you back to the home screen. The next 3 items within the menu bar have a lot in common. They're all based off of date, time, number of times used, and the location that they're used. So the most used is just that. It keeps track, within our application we keep track of how often something's used. And it displays those in descending order within that view. It also keeps track of the last date and time that item was used. And that's what the most recent icon is for. The GPS goes a little bit farther than that. It keeps track of the location that it was used, the day of the week that it was used, the time that it was used, so that you can have views that show you just that. So if you're at school at 9 o'clock on Wednesday, you can see everything that you used during that time. And then the last item, that's a system-defined item within the menu bar, is the find item. So if you're going to search for something within the database, it will prompt you for the text to search for, and it will search the phonetic phrase as well as the phrase of the item. And you can search for multiple items within that within the search dialog box. You just comma separate the items that you're searching for. So if you want to search for dad, mother, and sister, you would type in dad, comma, mother, comma, then sister, hit return, and it'll go out and try to find any phonetic phrase or phrase that matches that. And then to the right of those are the user-defined items. So if you have folders that are 3 levels deep and you want one-click access to them, you can tell that folder to display on the menu bar, and you would have the one-click access right directly to that folder. And then after those items, all the way to the right, is the text item. And basically that allows you to type in any text and have the speech-to-text say it for you. So out of the box, when you first start up Gabby, it's in user mode. And the first thing you need to do is go to the Info button, go to Settings, and go to Application to take it out of user mode. To get out of user mode, you would click the Admin Mode button. It'll ask you for a new password at the very start. And I'm going to just type in X for now. and now it's unlocked and I'm in admin mode. So the difference between admin mode and user mode is that admin mode allows you to modify anything in the application. User mode prevents you from modifying anything. So it only allows you to play audio, allows you to navigate folders, or it allows you text to speech, but it doesn't allow you to modify images or anything like that. So we're going to back up. And back up to the main screen. And now you see another folder called Hidden Tags. And I'll get into that in another tutorial. But you can also see at the bottom a couple of extra system icons that have showed up. One is the new folder, which allows you to create folders in the current system view that you're in, or a new item, which allows you to create items. And again, those are going to be part of another tutorial. And then the last item within the menu bar is the hide items. And again, that'll be another tutorial that I'll cover later. So that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for your time.